Good day, everyone. I am Shane Ann Cabrera from Maed English. My topic for today is the factorial notation. But before we proceed to the factorial notation, let us have the history of a factorial notation first. A factorial notation came from a mathematician from France, which name is Christian Krum. In 1808, he came up with the symbol of factorial n. The study of factorials is at the root of several topics in mathematics such as numbers, theory, algebra, geometry, probability, statistics, graph theory, and discrete mathematics. A factorial notation is used to find the value of any positive natural number. The factorial notation of a natural number n is n factorial. The factorial of n is represented as n factorial is equals to 1 times 2 times 3 and so on and so forth to have the least number means 1. The factorial notation is prominently used in the formulas of permutation and combination. The multiplication of all positive integers, says n, that will be smaller than or equivalent to n, is known as the factorial. The factorial of a positive integer is represented by the symbol n factorial. Factorial notation refers to a symbol exclamation point. Symbolically, the factorial of a natural number n is written as n factorial. In factorial notation, the factorial of a natural number is equal to the product of all the natural numbers in sequence from 1 to n. For example, the factorial of 5 is written as 5 factorial and is equals to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Further, let us try to understand the history and the reasoning of the concept of factorial notation. In addition, when we say 0, it means the answer is 1. Okay, so now let's proceed to the example. For example, we have 4 factorial. When we say 4 factorial, we have 4 factorial is equals to 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Okay, when we say 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, meaning to say here we are going to have the given number up to the least number, which is 1. Okay, so meaning to say here when we say 4 factorial is equals to 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, we are going to multiply it to have an answer number 24. Okay, meaning to say here, if you are going to times or to multiply the 4 up to the least number, which is 1, 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, we have the number 24. Next example, the 3 factorial. When we say 3 factorial, if we are going to multiply it, we have the 3 factorial is equals to 3 times 2 times 1 is equals to 6. Okay, another example is the 6 factorial. So when we say 6 factorial, I have here the 6 factorial is equals to 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. When we're going to multiply those numbers, we have the answer 720. But in some cases, just like here, how many 3 digits can be formed by the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 if the repetition of digits is not allowed. For example, here we have the first digit number, which is number 5, and the second digit number is number 4, and the first digit in the third digit is number 3. If we are going to multiply those numbers, the 5, 4, and 3, we are going to have the answer number 60. Okay, but if we have here the repetition of numbers, if the repetition is allowed, we are going to have here, for example, the number 5. 5 times 5 times 5 is equals to 125. Okay, so that's all for my report for today. Thank you so much and God bless